2021, 2022 is the best time for you to have an online presence, either as an influencer or as an online business owner. And I have 5 good reasons why you should. But on the top of that, let me tell you, with one single skill of remote closing, which I learned back in fall of 2018, me and my company have produced over $2.6 million for clients who are running an online business. I've been able to pay more than $250,000 in commissions to almost 50 plus individuals globally. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
I would imagine doing that, something like that, but I always think that something big needs to happen. And I kept waiting, I kept testing something, and this clicked. And I'm gonna give you that 5 good reasons along with the hope why you should have an online presence if you are looking for more options in discovering your career, in making more money, providing yourself some extra cushion financially, or flexibility. Maybe you are just bored out of your current career. Whatever reason you have, I will provide you good 5 solid reasons why you should. So number 1 is number of users. Increasing number of users, to be more precise. In 2011, there were 2.1 billion social media users. Just to give you a context, in 1980, it was 0. Maybe in 85 also, I don't know. But internet was not there until early 90s, so it was 0. 2011, fast forward, we have 2 billion, almost 1/3, little here less than 1/3 of the population of the world. 2011 September, at the time I'm recording this video, it's 4.5 billion, a hair less than, which is precisely 4.48 billion. 4.48 billion people have access to social media globally. So imagine you having to build something and have that kind of reach. Let's say even 10%, let's say even 1%, which will be 4.4 million people. Reaching 4.4 million people, what would it mean to you? Let's say 0.1%, that would be just 440,000 people. What would it mean to you? Think about that. Number 2 is following your passion. It will allow, if you, at any point of time you wanted to build a community, you wanted to speak to people, you wanted to impact a larger amount of people, this is it, guys. This is it. There are free tools out there. Zoom, which allows you, gives you 40-minute free meetings. Skype. There are free tools like PayPal. There are free tools like Calendly to schedule your meeting. All you need is a small website or a funnel for you, or even better, people are building enormous communities by their following on social media. There's free platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat. There will be one more tomorrow. I do not know. What I do know is if you have a strong why, then you shouldn't have any excuse. I stopped making any excuse because I want to impact more and more individuals to increase their financial happiness and health index, and that's what I am after. That's my mission. So think about why you should follow your passion and why this is the best time to do that. Number 3 is you can work from anywhere.
Here, I've been reviewing them in my office all morning.
You know, when I had my first presentation,
my boss told me that success wants in person.
Well, if you are not tied to a job, or if you are wanting to take a break, or if you are a college student who goes to school remotely, this is the best time for you to travel as well and be at any location. There's like, if you look up in different like traveling locations, there are nomads, there are and there are hostels made for those nomads. There are live and work communities popping up, and this is the best time for you. All you need is your laptop, phone, and internet, which laptop and phone is yours and internet is theirs. All you need to do is show up, pick a place, and go. And this is the best time for you. If you're in your early 20s, experience that. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. I did that. It didn't work out, but that's okay. I still went to different countries this year and still work for my job and also for my business. I'm just in love with that fact that you can be remote and work from anywhere. That's the beauty about this. Number 4 is perfect segregation, is which actually feeds into number 3 is, let's say you're looking to get away from your career and wanting to learn a skill. You can literally make an account on udemy.com or coursera.com, or click the link below where I teach remote closing, which has helped me and my company generate $2.6 million, and it had allowed me to pay more than 50 plus households on monthly basis. That's the beauty of learning a skill, implementing and improving it over time, helping people out and working from anywhere. It has given me that understanding that the possibilities are endless, especially during this time, and it's only going to get better and better in 2022. So learn a skill, guys. Learn a high income skill. If you are looking to segregate from your career, I suggest learning a remote closing. Why? Because it's a skill of lifetime. Even if you do not want to use that career, if you want to launch your own online business, or if you already have a business but have a hard time selling it, closing deals over the phone, or having a hard time closing interviews, this my course is something which I personally feel that I've designed it for individuals to just succeed and do nothing else. That's it. Number 5 is low investments or zero investment. Let's say talk about zero investments. You can launch your YouTube channel from your phone and start making videos and start building your community. Create a Facebook group, send that YouTube traffic to your Facebook group, and have that Facebook group talk about that one common mission or one common skill which you have. You're an independent contractor. An LLC, depending upon what state you are, costs about $300 to $1,000. Literally, guys, there are some free tools out there: Calendly, Zoom, Slack, PayPal, these social media platforms. You do not even have to spend a single penny. All you have to do is show up every day and have a strong why. Why? Because that's what's gonna keep you going when you feel like quitting. If you liked what I have to say, subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And let me know what are some more reasons why you should have an online presence or a business in 2021, 2022. Hopefully this helped, and talk to you guys soon. Thanks, bye.